How to transfer WhatsApp chats from Android to another device. In this tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily do that. First thing you do is open up your WhatsApp, and then from there, you can just go to the top right corner on the three dots, and then from this pop-up, select Settings. Once you land on the Settings page, scroll down until you find Chats, and then go to Chat Backup. Once you get here, make sure you've selected your Google account that you're going to back up to. So tap on backup and it's going to back up all of your messages. Make sure that your Google account has enough storage left. And once the backup is complete, the process is basically complete. All you have to do is open WhatsApp on another device. And when you log in, you will be asked to back up all of your chats and sync all of your chats from your other device. Just tap on backup button and it's going to load up all of your chats without having to do anything. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.